How have local wildlife populations changed historically? Imagine walking through a forest or along a river and noticing how many animals you see today compared to 100 years ago. The story of local wildlife is one of change, influenced by both nature and human actions. Over time, many animal populations have shifted dramatically. In the past, early settlers hunted animals like deer, beavers, and turkeys heavily. This overhunting caused their numbers to drop sharply, sometimes nearly disappearing from certain areas even before the 1900s. At the same time, people cleared land for farming and logging, which destroyed many natural habitats animals relying on. When habitats shrink, animals have fewer places to live, find food, and raise their young. Adding to the problem, humans introduced new animals like livestock, which competed with native species for food and space. This competition made it even harder for local wildlife to survive. Despite these challenges, some animal populations have made a comeback. Thanks to conservation efforts starting in the early 1900s, species like deer, beavers, and turkeys in parts of North America have increased in numbers. These efforts included protecting habitats, creating wildlife reserves, and regulating hunting. Globally, the picture is more concerning. Over the last 50 years, scientists estimate that wildlife populations worldwide have fallen by about 70%. Large mammals like elephants, rhinos, and big cats have seen their numbers decline sharply due to habitat loss and illegal hunting. The rise of agriculture and cities has taken over many wild areas, pushing animals into smaller and more fragmented spaces. This has led to a significant drop in the total amount of wild animal biomass, especially since humans became the dominant species on Earth. Some protected areas, like national parks and wildlife sanctuaries, help maintain or slightly increase local animal populations. But even these places face threats from climate change and human encroachment. As human populations grow and climate patterns shift, wildlife habitats are increasingly overlapping with human spaces. This creates new challenges but also opportunities for humans and animals to coexist. Looking back, we see that local wildlife populations have been shaped by hunting, habitat changes, and human influence. While some animals have recovered thanks to efforts to protect them, many still face serious threats today. Understanding this history helps us see how fragile the balance is between humans and nature. It also reminds us that ongoing work is needed to keep our local environments healthy and full of life.